functions in future scripts without copying the functions themselves, then just save these functions in profile.ps1 and then save that file in this path. We do that by opening Windows PowerShell ICE as an administrator. We have now opened profile.ps1 and we can simply just add those functions that we want to reuse in here. And now we save the script. This script runs every time PowerShell runs. That means that when we open PowerShell again, then we will have access to that function. We see that we were able to use that function that we just created. If you do not have this script on your computer, then just open Windows PowerShell ICE as an administrator and create it. Just save it as profile.ps1 and save that file in this path.